Cost is 800. Let us do unboxing. This is Hoffen electronic digital scale.
So in this machine we have 4 sensors and around maximum capacity what we can weight is around 180 kgs. AAA battery which is made in India, and lower power overload indicator is there, and we can see in unit in kgs, lbs and st, and auto on clipping. So the company brought is this ACE Incorporation. This is from Jaipur, Rajasthan, and there is also a website which is given in this box. It's www.aceincorporation.com. Okay, but in this box the manufacturing MRP rate is given 2499, but in amazon.in we purchased it for 800. Let's see how this machine works out. Okay. So you can see 2 batteries are already given. So in this we have a manual, like they have given like thank you in case any problem please call. They have given a number as well. So here they are given tips on how to use the weighing machine in simple steps. First thing is that they have given some battery slide, like we need to insert the battery at the space given on the back side of the weighing machine and select the unit in which you want to use the weight machine, like either you wanted to weight in kgs or lbs or st, from the push button given on the back side. Okay, let us see that. Now place the weigh machine on the flat hard surface. Now tap on the weight machine from your leg once and remove your leg after the weigh machine shows some digit. Now your weigh machine will show 0 on display. Now your weight machine is ready for use and you give right weight every time. Note, if you change the piece of weight machine from one place to another, please follow the above steps number 3 to 6 again for the right weight. That means if you are changing from one place to another, so we have to change from the step 3 to 6. Okay, and they also given this user manual of an electronic digital scale one. You can say the same thing what we have studied. They have given here electronic personal scale and battery 1 year if used twice a day. They are giving that the battery will come for 1 year, and it can weigh up to 180 kgs or 400 lbs or 28 st. LCD screen which is 73 mm to 28 mm, and the display is LCD screen. Okay. So the display low battery indicator, it will show LO, and overload indicator it shows ERR, and retest is it shows C, and graduation is 50 grams 0.2 lb. The weight of this one, accuracy plus or minus 100 grams, and warranty is given for 2 years. Okay, and care and maintenance. What is the care and maintenance they have given? First, let us study this. To maintain your electronic personal scale in the best possible condition, follow these directions as closely as possible. Store and operate the unit in safe, dry location. Drastic changes in temperature over time can affect the quality of weighing measurement. Do not expose to direct sunlight, extreme hot or cold or humidity. Clean with a soft, damp cloth. Avoid abrasive cleaners and never sink or submerge in water. Remove batteries if not in use for 3 months or longer. Use unit consistent with instruction provided in this manual. So in the back side there is nothing much. We only they have given related to warranty and all these things. Okay, let us see now. So batteries we are going to insert. So there is a plus and minus indicator. See it properly. Okay, let us see now. So it is showing 60 kgs. So exactly it is showing the same. So now the other person 89.25 it is showing. Okay. So guys, this weighing machine is very much useful so that we can see the weight. Someone who wants to lose the weight or gain weight, I think this is the best ideal machine we can buy and keep it at home. So whenever we are eating food, every week we can count what is our weight, whether we are reducing or increasing. Hope you like this video. And if you like this video, share this video to your friends and family members. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.